Hi Blazers, I'm going to show you how in this video to unpair your existing Bluetooth headphones, and then we're going to unbox my new pair of headphones. So as you can see, I've gone into my Bluetooth section and you can see all these Bluetooth stuff, and then we go to details. Then from details, I just know that this is my headphones, the LE. So we'll go into the cog and then we'll go unpair. It'll just want you to confirm that. We hit the red unpair, and that's the end of that. So that's how we unpair the existing headphones. And then in our next video, we're going to do the unboxing of my new headphones. So stay tuned for that.